So this is Euro Pound analysis for Monday, the 12th of March. Now let's have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices head towards this 89.70. I was looking for prices head towards the 89.80 level. I've mentioned it on a few occasions now. I suppose I should put it on the charts for reference purposes. Otherwise we won't pretty much know when I first mentioned it, I suppose. It's important reference point. So we were looking for prices to head towards the 89.80. We didn't quite get there. Instead, we turned around in around the 89.70 or so. Had a brief pullback, formed a lower high, and weren't able to break and hold on to the 89.45 level, from which we've got our high here, lower high, from which we did see further sell side momentum come back into this market. We've had a further breakdown towards this 89.14. Brief pullback, not able to head further upwards, and we did break down from its 89.14 all the way down towards its 88.74, breaking below the 200 period moving average. So from in around 88.74, we have seen bullish buy side momentum come back into the market, and we do seem poised for further upside continuation. We'll see how prices react towards this 200 period moving average. If we do head up there around 200 period moving average and 89 level, we could potentially see sell side momentum take us back down towards 88.74. If, however, if we do break above the hold on to the 89, we are looking for price head towards the 89.14. Successful break from which we're looking for price head towards that 89.45, from which we did see sell side momentum previously. And if we are able to break and hold on to that level, we are looking for price head up towards that 89.80, and we'll see a price direct towards that 89.70, the old swing here in the market. If, however, we do break down from the 200 period moving average, or we do break down from where we are at present, or even the 89.14, we are looking for price head down towards the 88.74, possibly down towards the 400 period moving average, slightly below the 88, around that 88.70 or so. Successful break from which we are looking for prices to head down towards that 88.51. Major level marks out here in red, and if we do break down from there, we are looking for price head down towards that 88.20. Can't anticipate prices moving below the 88.20 unless we do have a particularly volatile day. On the euro pound, in which case we are looking for prices down towards the 88 and 87.83. Now, those are pretty much levels that we are looking at, and we do seem poised for upside momentum, but we might be limited. These candles here aren't particularly that bullish, so we could have a retracement and then further sell side momentum. Now let's just have a look at the higher time frame. So if you head over to the monthly chart on the euro pound, we can see that we remain bullish. We've had this move upwards, pretty deep pullback, and move upwards again, and we had a bit of a pullback as well. But we are into that consolidative we're in this consolidative range that we've been in for a couple of months now. So we'll see our price develop from here, where we can see that further upside momentum and see the primary trend resume here on the euro pound. If we head over to the monthly chart, the weekly chart, we can see here that we've had the move upwards, pullback, move upwards, pullback, had a consolidation, then we retested the old highs, broken down, and we've been in this consolidative range below the 90.24 for quite some time here, between 90.24 and 87. We've been in a consolidative range since 2017. I think it's September 2017 or so. And yep, that pretty much is the story of the euro pound here on the weekly time frame. And let's just see if we head over to the daily time frame. Over to the daily time frame we go. Let's just and over to the daily time frame, we can see the consolidative range more clearly. And but more recently, we've got our lows here, held on to the 400 period moving average, posted a higher low, found resistance at 200 period average, had a break above the 200 period moving average, reducing poised to test this 200 period moving average at present. And again, if we're able to hold on to it, we potentially have a low, higher low, and we do seem poised for further upside continuation. but we'll see how prices react towards levels previously identified that we have found resistance in the not too distant past. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the Euro analysis. Thanks for watching.